Welcome back to a brand new video of the Targeted Individual Program, Challenge Experience. So I was awakened out of my sleep through BCI, and the New York Predator Department immediately began using their sirens. Also, the neighbor upstairs also began to engage in noise harassment. Basically, I was sleeping. I went to bed after 3 because again, have issue sleeping because of direct energy attacks, direct energy weapons attacks, particularly silent sound, and again the constant projection of sounds around me, particularly coughing, sneezing, whistling sound, and they started also playing again the Hunger Game theme song. All right, so came out of sleep. All right, came into consciousness, and the New York President Department immediately used their sirens. My upstairs neighbor walking back and forth, very, very heavily. Okay. So I got up. I did a video before. I didn't really like how it sounded. It was very incoherent. Because I just woke up out of sleep. So, also airplanes. Again, they've been using. As I woke up, also airplanes flying overhead. All right. Again, very low. Okay. And I'm trying to go back to sleep. Try to at least get an hour sleep because for the past week, I should say, I have been, as I said, the past week here, the Predators Department out there, and basically they doing this again because they know that they've legally implanted me for the purpose of remote no monitoring, for illegal surveillance, right, for psychological coercive persuasion, threats, and to try to control me. Okay, and again, engaging in propaganda, slanderous rumors, using people to engage in, setups, frame-ups, lies, manipulations, corporate drugging, and part of this is COINTELPRO. Okay, a big part of it is COINTELPRO. Another big part of it is the illegal microchipping of human beings, to again, which is a violation of your sovereignty, right? Violation of your individual self. Okay, and the psychological warfare in order to discredit the targets of illegal microchipping. All right, non-consensual human experimentation victims. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.